Alright, this is the translations handout that was given out Tuesday, August 22nd. I'm going to work a few of the problems out as examples. These are some of the same ones that we worked out in class today. So on the first one, I'm on the side that says translations. This is the side that has no multiple choice on it. Number one, translations. Alright, 5 units right, 1 unit up. It's telling you how to move each point. You need to move each point one at a time and then reconnect the dots after you do it. As you move the points, you'll label them with the same alphabetical letter but with a prime symbol. For instance, if I start off with the letter G, I'm going to move it 5 units to the right and 1 unit up. So where you start is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units to the right, 1 unit up. You put a dot there and label that G prime. Grab another marker. Try that again. G prime. Alright. And then you'll do that for each successive point. So T, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 unit up, and that is T prime. The prime designation indicates that this is the translated figure that we're working on. It's the new figure. Letter B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 unit up, and that is B prime, and then you reconnect the dots. And you should have a congruent figure, meaning they're exactly the same. They're in the same orientation and everything. Same size, same shape, even the same orientation if it's a translation. So that's how you'll do problems 1 and 2. Let's see what else we have. Problems 3 and 4 are worked the same way. If you'll notice on 3, you only go down. There will be no left and right on problem number 3. 5 and 6 are worked the same way. So let me go to the right-hand side of this paper. Alright, now these are a little different. They've given you the translated forms. These figures have already been translated. You can see that the original is here on the top left. You can tell it's the original pre-image because it has no apostrophes. Here, these apostrophes, called the prime symbol, indicate that this is the newer translated version. So what you have to do is describe how it moved. So you're going to start off with talking about how the X value moved. X controls the horizontal movement. X is your left and your right movement. And if it's positive, just like a number line, the positive numbers are going to be towards your right, and negative numbers are going to be to the left. So if it moves towards the right, it went positive. They added to the X value. And in this case, we just need to find out how many units. So we know it went to the right, so that's going to be addition, and it moved 1, 2. It moved 2 units to the right, so that's X plus 2. And now we need to figure out how did it move up or down. Well, it started here. Here's your original, Z, and it moved down 1 unit. So moving down is similar to a thermometer. The negative numbers are on the bottom. So if you're going down, you're subtracting or you're negative. So that's going to be Y minus 1 because it moved down 1 unit. So from the original, we see that we go right 2 places, 1, 2, and down 1 to get to Z prime. That's also how you'll work out problem number 8. You just need to match the alphabetical letters together. You'll use V and V prime, or you could use T and T prime. You only have to do it for 1 letter combination because the formula or the function is going to be the same for every point up there. Now I'm going to go to the back page and see what information you might need there. Alright, so I'm on the back page, problem number 1, and what they'll have you do here is you need to go ahead and graph the original points and then translate them. So you're going to draw 2 images here. You're going to draw a pre-image, which is your original, and you're also going to draw a prime image, or sometimes just called the image. So I need to start by plotting these. So E is at 0, 2. So I start at my origin. 0 indicates that we do not go left or right. 2 indicates that we need to go up 2 spots from the origin. So here is E. D, 1, 5, go back to the origin. The 1 indicates 1 place to the right, and the 5 indicates 5 places up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so that is point D. C is 5, 3, started at your origin, 5 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 places up. 1, 2, 3. And that is point C. So we're just going to connect the dots here. We know we have a triangle. All right, and at this point we have the original pre-image. Now we need to translate it, and it says 6 units down. So do that one point at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be E prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That will be D prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that point will be C prime. And we should have a matching triangle. It's been translated from the original 6 units down. You'll do the same thing on problem 2. It's a 4-sided figure, so you're looking at probably some type of, actually I don't even want to speculate, it's a 4-sided figure. Problems 3 and 4 are worked the same way.